So we're going to talk a little bit about memory and how women struggle with memory as they age, which Curtis and I were joking that sometimes women tend to remember everything.
Yeah.
Like, why you keep bringing that up? So maybe this is beneficial for the man in that relationship. But let's first talk a little bit about what makes our brain so different.
Yeah, and in part it's just the hormonal differences. So we do know from large-scale studies, my own included, that when I looked at people from as young as 5 right up to 79 years of age, the patterns of memory, we tend to preserve our memory quite well. So that's the first piece of good news, both men and women. But what's interesting is that women actually tend to have a better memory kind of middle age. But it starts declining when you get that loss of estrogen and so on. And the interesting thing is women may not be so aware of that. They may still be thinking that their memory is really good, but we know from research that clinically and actually from behavioral evidence, that memory is not as sharp as it used to be. So that's the first thing. But I want to share 3 ways in which we can actually keep that memory sharp.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering, because so you're saying in the early, 45 to 55, the women have better memory, and then as it goes past that is when it starts to go down?
That's what the science is showing, that once you get past that age, because it's linked into our estrogen levels, that our memory can actually start declining.